Alright guys, so I got a little something new to show you guys today. What's going on YouTube? It's Adam back with another video. I just wanted to do a quick review of my new tires I just got on my car. They're the Continental EXTREMECONTACT DWS tires. Let's get right into the review. Alright guys, so I actually got these tires in 2 sizes up from what the stock tire size is. I got them in a 255/40/19. The stock size is a 235/45/19. Sorry, 235/40/19. And boy do I love the increase. This car already handles really well and goes around turns really well. The increase in tire size doesn't cause me to rub. I'm not rubbing. And man, do I get more grip with them. I just want to quickly show what the tread looks like on these tires. So here's the tread pattern. I'm sorry guys, I had to come back in my car. I'm sweating like crazy right now. It is, I mean, I don't know if you could see that, but it's like 102 degrees out right now. Whew. But I gotta get these videos out. I gotta get these reviews out. I gotta let the world know about what they should get, what they shouldn't get. All right guys, so I'm just currently driving a little bit right now. It's kind of hard to do like a review and like actually show you how they grip and stuff. All I can really tell you is that they grip very nicely. Now the thing about tires, so I used to work at a tire shop, Big O Tires, and a guy that worked there told me that either you can get long life tires with less grip or you can get short life tires with more grip. So don't expect to get like too much life out of these tires. You still should last a while with these tires, but do not expect to get the life out of a tire that isn't made for grip. I like keeping these reviews like kind of short, just keeping them short and sweet, explaining what's good about the tire and what's bad about the tire. So I'm just gonna stick to that. Quick pros and cons about the tires. They grip really, really well. The 2 tire sizes up on this car, I'm not rubbing with, so that's good. You should be able to go up to like 20 millimeters over your stock tire size. The cons though, I actually noticed a pretty big con. With my old tires, I was getting about 25, 26 miles to the gallon. Now I'm getting like 22, 23. And that's a pretty significant drop. I mean, it adds up, you know, 3 to 4 miles per gallon loss because of tire size. If I could have gone back, I would have just gone with the stock tire size. I mean, I'm paying much more money in the end, paying for the gas while I have these tires, than if I just went with the stock tire size. So it is what it is. I have them now and they're really, really fun to drive with, but I've lost some significant gas mileage with these tires. But yeah, I mean, the pros are it grips amazingly, it handles amazingly. If you're buying for grip, then these are gonna be a great tire for you. The reason I went with the Continental DWS Extreme Contacts is because they were cheaper and all I wanted was grip. I know Michelin's are probably a bit better, but these give me what I want. And I get plenty of grip with these, and they're great tires, so hopefully they last me a while, but I'm not expecting them to, given that they're really grippy and made for handling, not made for lasting. I didn't notice anything different about the drive of the car and how the car feels on the road and stuff like that. These tires are just grippier, that's it, that's all I would say. The drive is smooth. This car that I have, the 2018 Honda Accord Sport, the suspension is amazing on it. It's really stiff, it's really smooth. You don't even know how fast you're going half the time. And the tires didn't really have much of an impact on the actual overall driving experience of the car, just handling overall. With that being said though guys, I know this was a really short review. I haven't driven them in the winter yet, so I haven't driven them in the rain, so I can't really give you a review there. I heard they do very well in the winter time. And yeah, I know this is a short review, but I just wanted to keep them short and concise and help you guys finalize your decision if this is something that you're thinking about getting or you're looking into. So anyways though guys, that's gonna do it for me. I really appreciate you guys checking out my channel and tuning in. If you like any of my content or you want to check any more of my content out, please do. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all the support on the videos. And yeah, with that being said though guys, I gotta go inside and shower. It is way too hot out here, but I hope to see all you guys in the next one. If you like this, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, take care guys.